A freeze is rare around these parts. So when it comes, the locals are taken completely by surprise. Our manatee cow and calf are no exception. Just a few miles from the safety of coastal waters, they're trapped. While they were drinking their fill of fresh water, their path to the coast has turned icy, and they can go no further. Unlike any other aquatic mammal, manatees don't have a thick, fatty layer to protect them from the cold water. So they're very susceptible to cold. And if they get too cold, they drown. But, either by luck or design, they find a haven. A small section of waterway, fed by a hot spring, a tiny island of warmth. There's even a bit to eat. It's not much, but it should tide them over until the weather breaks. But it looks like they're not the only manatees trapped by the cold. The small amount of vegetation in this pocket of warm water won't feed this many manatees for long, which changes the situation considerably.